Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Lip Balm. Very curious about that. Let's get straight into the box. I ordered some different Dr. Bronner's products and they all came in this box. Not a lot of packaging material. And yeah, let's get out the product. Alright, well, this is the Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Biological Lip Balm, and it says here in big all one, and has the ingredients list in the front too. Where is it? Right on? No, it's not on the front, I don't believe. Probably in the back. It's just so much text, to be honest. This is what the back looks like. And don't wonder it's written in German, because I live in a German-speaking country, and I ordered this on drbronner.ch and got it directly from the website itself, not through a retailer. You can buy this product in whatever country you're from, maybe on Amazon also. You can find the products, or in grocery stores, or like alternative grocery stores like biological, fair trade shops, and so on. Alright, well, now I'm very curious to see inside. Here we have a little picture of what the product looks like, and I opened it here on the side, and if I manage to open it like this, we can get it out. Tiny little product. Again, it says, if you can go focus, bio lip, like lip balm by Dr. Bronner. And let me try and open it. That's a bit hard. Now I got it. Oh, that was tough. Oh, I should have removed a foil. Oh, I got it now. Anyway, that is what the product looks like. It definitely tastes like peppermint. But yeah, very curious to use this. Alright, well, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave this video a like, and maybe also subscribe to this channel. I have many more videos on Dr. Bronner's unboxings, also unboxing technical stuff, clothes, shoes, and many other things. Go check it out. Hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.